Hi YouTube, it's Ivy, and today I'm going to be trying another challenge to myself. But first things first, I'm gonna get in costume. I have been listening to a crapload of Dorian Electra this week. If you don't know who they are, you should. You're missing out because their aesthetic is everything I ever wanted to embody, pretty much. I'm not quite as flamboyant as they are, but I don't know, maybe that could change. So you'll see me next with a costume on. So here I am, French on my titties. Okay, so my original plan was to go on Omegle and draw people there. And then I realized Omegle is scary, and I don't really know how to do that. So what's my plan? I don't know. I guess just scream? I don't know. I gotta do something. It's YouTube day. Frick. Are people gonna make fun of my mustache there? I mean, like, probably, because I think it's mostly guys with, like, their dicks out. Right, okay. These are all horrible. Look at these trending tags. I'm not curious, freaky. Well, I am lonely, but I wouldn't put that in a tag. Hi!
Hi.
I'm drawing people. Will you let me draw you?
Really?
Yes.
Sure, I guess. Oh my god!
Okay, cool. You might want to choose a pose that you could stay in. I mean, not a super long time, but like, don't die. Don't kill yourself. I believe in you. What's your favorite anime?
It's My Hero Academia.
Oh my god, okay, cool. Oh shit. Oh, you guys. Well, I'm freaking missing Bakugo, but I just finished
Oh, so nice.
a bunch of these. Alright.
Oh, thanks so much. You're so cool.
Well, it got less scary. I mean, that's good. Those people were nice. Please stop giving me penises. I don't want them. Okay. Nope. Hi.
Wait, what? Wait.
Yes. Hello. I'm drawing people. Will you let me draw you?
Okay.
Cool.
Him.
Him? Okay. There you go. Does it look like you? Kinda?
It looks like him.
Wow, I tried. Oh, frick. So many... What's up, dude? Wow, lazy. Okay. I see how it is. Oh, dude, I love your style. Oh, man, you look cool. I'm sad.
Hello.
Hi. Thank you. I'm drawing people. Will you let me draw you?
Sure.
Okay, cool.
You can contain all my hair.
I'll try my best. How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
I've seen a lot of more than I wished that I had.
Dang.
But besides that, I'm doing pretty good.
You're an artist?
Yeah, I mean, isn't everyone?
Yeah, I painted that up on the wall.
Did you?
Little Mermaid picture?
Oh my god, that's so good.
Yeah, I have Instagram, but I don't have like an art page.
Okay.
Just because my art is more... That was more of art for fun. I mainly do art whenever I'm feeling emotion. And my emotions are mostly depressing, suicidal type shit.
Right?
And so that's what most of my art is.
Right. Oh my god, but people on Instagram love that. Just saying. And like,
Thank
what is
you.
that little plushie? Like, right? Oh, well, it's probably down here on yours.
Oh, it's the Oogie Boogie Man from
Okay, I thought
Christmas.
so. It's so cute. Oh my god, the other day we were talking about, oh my god, my headphones are falling out. My freaking huge ass leaks. Wait. I have like this giant freaking, why? Why do I have this? But yeah.
The same reason that I have.
Oh my god, that's so huge. Right?
I mostly draw fictional characters and monsters
Me too.
and dark stuff.
That's cool though. I mean, I feel like my art is really like shallow sometimes. Like I'm super depressed, but I draw like the cutesiest
Yeah.
shit ever.
Pretty much the only way that I can really get my emotions out because I'm not very good at talking it out.
Mhm. That's awesome that you have that though, and like that you do it.
I get on this app or website, whatever the heck it's called. I get a lot of the random like 40-year-old dudes.
Yeah.
People telling me I'm pretty and not showing their face, so I can see how old they are.
Thankfully, I feel like the mustache throws some people off, and they're just like, bye. Like they don't want to work with me because I have a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful French face.
I like it.
I like it too. Wow, you're having a good day. Nice. I'm drawing people. Will you let me draw you?
Yes.
Okay, cool.
This is my actual character.
Oh, cute.
Yeah, people are mean to me because I'm a furry.
Oh my god, I made a video about how I love furries.
I recently opened a merch store.
Oh, sweet.
Basically, because I'm poor.
Oh, same.
Wait, is that your actual?
Yeah, bro.
Oh my god, I love it. It's beautiful.
Thank you.
You're giving me a kind of Natsu feel.
Yeah, right? Okay, let's see. Zeros and oh, here.
This is my lucky hat.
Okay. Bro, I will set you up, man.
Holla holla for Team Mystic.
Right? Hell yeah.
Oh my god, it looks so good.
Thanks.
By the way, I was wondering about that diamond by your bed.
Yeah, Ganesh.
What is it?
It's the Indian god Ganesh.
Looks like something straight out of Monster.
Okay, yeah. It's actually like legitimately like an Indian tapestry from like some
Ooh, that looks cool,
right?
though.
I mean, I like it.
No joke, like someone on Snapchat like screenshot it. It was like, bro, you're in the middle of the ocean, and there's my character just standing with his hands folded in the middle of nowhere. I'm like,
Mhm.
you're forgetting the key component though.
What did I forget?
This.
Oh, okay.
It's okay, but like that's the key component.
Okay, okay, here.
And then a girl played. She tried to trick me. She was like, "Ooh, I love that one episode of Naruto when Luffy runs away from the hidden village and becomes a Dragon Ball Z character." I'm like,
What?
thank you.
You're welcome. All right, well, I have to be on my way. More people to draw.
I think you're welcome, madam.
Thank you. It's Tatashi. What's up? I tried.
You could do it at a time, honestly, is amazing.
Okay. Wow, nice mask. What's up? Thank you. I'm Ivy. Who are you?
What?
Thanks.
My name is Pascal.
Pascal?
My name's
Adrian and Pascal. That sounds like a duo from like some cartoon or something. I'm drawing people. Will you let me draw you? Yeah, okay,
Yeah.
cool. Stay still, choose an angle. Okay, I mean, if you want, you can do. Okay, yeah, alright. I'll see what I can do. Your eyes shifting around. You're gonna end up with like one going each direction. Mr. Pascal, you're just like, I can't really see you. You just look like Darth Vader kind of back here. All right, well,
That's awesome.
thanks. Sasuke, what's up? How can you see anything?
If you created me, who created you? Where do it come from?
You strum yourself off.
What?
That's a trap. That's the reverse trap.
Yes? Perhaps? Well, that was a ride. I haven't been on Omegle since I was like, I have no idea, 12? A lot was what I expected, like a lot of things I didn't care to see. Thank you for coming and visiting my land of Omegle. Wonderful adventures. Probably won't ever happen again, and that's okay.